Hello everyone. The Inkatha Freedom Party's Secretary General Siposethu Ngcobo said it came as no surprise that EFF's Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, during a speech in honor of Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi, was accused of playing politics. However, Ngcobo said it's the EFF Member of Parliament's perspective and it should be allowed. Speaking to the Eyewitness News, a day after Ndlozi drew harsh criticism for his address, Ngcobo said it was hard for the politicians to not be political when given an opportunity to address large crowds. Ndlozi labeled Buthelezi as a man of peace. He also told mourners not to be shaken by ill-informed, ignorant people who were hypocrites, wanting to educate the nation about its own history and leadership. With elections top of mind for most political parties in the country, Ngcobo said even he would not waste an opportunity like the one Ndlozi had at Buthelezi's memorial service. The EFF took a central role in defending Buthelezi in a sea of criticism about some of the prince's action during the conflict leading up to democratic breakthrough. This was a move seen by some as just a bid to try to woo the IFP into working relationship in 2024. Ngcobo said he believed Ndlozi was being genuine in expressing what he believed Umntwana wakwaPhindangene stood for. He said, some opportunists are beginning to find ways of tainting his image and denting his legacy, which is not going to succeed. While the EFF is set sights on making history with the IFP in KwaZulu-Natal in 2024, Buthelezi's party already signed an agreement binding it to the Democratic Alliance and Action SA. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.